Yes, start. Mr. Chairman, this is a bill to be sent for eliciting public opinion on a matter which concerns not only the political parties but the public life of the country as a whole. My approach in this matter, subject to public discussion and conclusions arising out of it, is somewhat different from what has been said by the two previous speakers. Right at the beginning, I should like to make it clear that I am in favor of cheap elections. I want to rule out money as far as possible from the context of the processes of our parliamentary institutions and democracy because money has undoubtedly a corrupting influence. I wonder what will happen if these restraints were to be revoked. Would they lead to honesty and elimination of big money in election affairs? I do not think it would be the contention of Mr. Bhargav that by abolishing these restraints we are going to have cheap elections or some kind of curbs on election expenditure. I think what he wants is to make people look somewhat honest, or rather, he does not want dishonesty to be institutionalized in the shape of some kind of acceptance of it by the society. His approach in this matter essentially is somewhat moral, but it suffers from illusion. Some now let me come to the other aspects of the matter, but I should like to add here that if the object is one of promoting cheap elections, eliminating the power of money in elections, it is not achieved by removing the restraints here. You may have the consolation that some people who are behaving dishonestly are asked not to behave dishonestly by making dishonesty in this case the law of the land, and dishonesty therefore is naturally the use of money to influence the voters. You are spending huge sums and are suppressing it. This by itself is not the main crime. It is not as if the crime takes place only when people submit returns to the election commission after the election is over. The crimes, social and political, take place the moment you use the power of money to influence elections or otherwise and indulge in all kinds of corrupt practices. It is there you are committing a crime, although Mr. Bhargav wants that after having committed the crime there should not be any accountability about it in any way.